Okay, so have you heard about this thing Google.org is doing? It's
Yeah, what about it?
well, it's called the Generative AI Accelerator, and it sounds like
Oh, yeah.
it could be huge EE for organizations wanting to
Yeah.
do good in the world.
It's pretty incredible what they're putting together here.
Yeah, so basically, they're going to give a bunch of money
Hmm.
to people to
Yeah, a share of 30 million, to be
wow.
exact.
Okay, hold on. $30 million. That's
Yeah, and that's not all.
oh wow. Okay. So 30 million and what else?
And get this, they're also offering 6 months of
Really?
support from Google's AI experts.
Oh wow, so you're not just getting the money.
Nope.
Maybe.
You get the guidance and the expertise to actually use it effectively.
So it's like they're really invested in these projects.
Absolutely. It's not just about throwing money at a problem, it's about
Right.
empowering these organizations to make a real impact.
I am so here for this. Okay, so this program is it's called the
The Generative AI Accelerator.
it's Generative AI Accelerator. Okay,
Yeah.
so for people
And
who
just to be clear,
yeah,
I'm talking about generative AI,
yeah.
not just AI in general.
Right, right. Okay, so what's the difference?
So, think about like Netflix, right?
Hmm.
It uses AI to suggest what you might want to watch
Yeah,
next.
based on what you've watched before.
Exactly. So that's AI analyzing data to make predictions. But generative AI,
Yeah.
it's like it doesn't just analyze, it creates,
Oh,
like
what?
instead of just suggesting a show, it could write a whole new one based on what you like.
Whoa, okay, that's mind-blowing.
Right. It's a whole different level.
Okay, so back to this accelerator program.
Right.
So they're giving away money, they're giving expert help, and
Cloud credits too.
oh, right, right, I read that, and also technical training.
Yeah. So they're really setting these organizations up for success.
Okay, so this sounds amazing, but who can actually apply for this?
So they're open to a pretty wide range of organizations.
Oh,
Nonprofits are definitely eligible.
of course, makes sense.
Also civic entities.
Civic entities? What's that?
So think like local governments or
Okay,
neighborhood associations, groups like that.
gotcha.
They also welcome applications from academic institutions and
Okay.
social enterprise.
Social enterprises, so like businesses that are
Exactly. Businesses that are trying to make a positive impact on the world, not just profits.
okay, wow.
Uh,
So they really are casting a wide net.
yeah, they want to see a diverse range of projects.
So what kind of projects are they looking for specifically? I know we said it's for using AI for good, but are there any like
Yeah, they've outlined some
2.5 grand?
focus areas,
Right.
things like sustainability and economic empowerment,
Hmm.
and also accessibility.
Okay, cool.
Mm.
Can you tell us more about those focus areas or?
You can actually find all the details on the google.org website.
Okay, we'll be sure to link to that in the show notes for anyone who wants to dive deeper.
Yeah, definitely check it out.
So, okay, let's say I work for a nonprofit.
Hmm.
We're trying to come up with solutions to climate change. Could we apply to use AI to help us do that?
That sounds like it could be a perfect fit.
Really?
Yeah. They're looking for projects that can demonstrate a real world impact using generative AI and climate change. It's
Yeah.
obviously a huge issue that needs innovative solutions.
Okay, so I think we've established that this program is awesome and the potential here is huge E.
It really is.
But I do want to touch on the whole application process.
Okay.
We talked about the funding, the support they're offering,
Mm-hmm.
but how does someone actually apply?
So the first step is to head over to the google.org website.
Easy enough.
Yeah, and they have all the application details there. You can find out everything you need to know.
Okay, and I'm assuming there's a deadline.
There is. The deadline to apply is February 10th, 2025.
Okay, so that might seem like a while from now.
It does.
But I imagine these applications
Oh, yeah.
are not something you just whip up overnight.
Exactly. You want to give yourself plenty of time to put together a strong application.
Right, because this is a competitive program, right?
Oh, yeah.
So you want to bring your A game.
Absolutely. You want to showcase your organization's vision and how generative AI can really help you achieve your goals.
Okay, so let's recap everything one more time.
Okay.
Google.org is launching this amazing
The
program.
Generative AI Accelerator,
Right. And they're offering a share of $30 million in funding,
along with 6 months of support from Google experts.
cloud credits, and technical training.
Exactly. They're really pulling out all the stops.
So if you're part of a nonprofit,
Or a civic entity or an academic institution.
a social enterprise,
Don't wait. Go check out the google.org website and see if this program is right for you.
honestly, I'm getting kind of emotional just thinking about the potential here.
Oh, yeah.
Like, we hear so much about the downsides of AI and how it could be used
Yeah.
for like nefarious purposes.
Mm.
But this is like the opposite. This is using AI as a force for good in the world.
Absolutely. It has the potential to be transformative.
Yeah, and that brings me to my final question to you and to all our listeners today.
Okay.
If you could use the power of generative AI to address any problem in the world,
Hmm.
what would it be?
Hmm. That's a great question.
Yeah.
I would say that we need to be mindful of the ethical implications of AI.
Oh, of course.
While this technology holds immense potential for good, we need to make sure that it's developed and used responsibly.
You're absolutely right. I mean, AI is a tool,
It is.
and like any tool, it can be used for good or for bad.
Exactly. So we need to ensure that its development is guided by ethical principles and that it benefits all of humanity, not just a select few.
So what I'm hearing you say is that alongside all this excitement about the potential of AI, we
Yes,
also need to be having serious conversations about.
absolutely. We can't just blindly embrace this technology without considering the potential consequences.
Yeah, I think that's a really important point to keep in mind. Okay, so to wrap up, if you know an organization that could benefit from this program, please share this information with them.
Yeah, spread the word. This is an opportunity that could truly change the world.
And who knows, maybe someone listening today will go on to develop the next groundbreaking AI-powered solution to one of humanity's biggest challenges.
I really hope so.
Okay, well, on that note, thanks for joining me for this deep dive into Google.org's Generative AI Accelerator program.
It was a pleasure being here.
Until next time, folks, keep thinking critically and keep using your voices to make a positive impact on the world.
Absolutely.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.